In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoom app, a powerful tool that has become essential for remote work and virtual meetings. Let's get started and simplify the process of connecting with others using this platform. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head to the Zoom website by typing in the URL. You'll find yourself on the main landing page of Zoom, where you can explore all the features the platform offers. This is essentially the hub for all your Zoom activities, whether you're planning to join meetings, host them, or simply check out what's new. Next up, you'll want to sign in. Look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that and it'll take you to the login page. Use your credentials such as your email and password to access your Zoom account. If you haven't yet set up an account, you can sign up for free by following the prompts, which only takes a few minutes. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Zoom dashboard. This is your personal control center for managing upcoming meetings and keeping track of schedules. To schedule a new meeting, find the Schedule button. Clicking on it will open a form where you can fill in all the details about your upcoming meeting. The topic, description, date, time, and any other options you might want to configure, like using a recurring meeting ID requiring a password for entry. Remember to save the meeting once you've filled in the details so it appears in your schedule. Of course, if you're looking to join a meeting rather than host one, Zoom makes that easy as well. Simply locate the Join button on your dashboard. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID or personal link name. If you've received an invitation link via email, you can click on that instead, and it will direct you straight into the meeting room. For those looking to host a meeting, you'll want to click on the Host button. You'll be presented with options to host with video on, video off, or just to use screen share. Once you've decided, simply click to launch the meeting, and you'll be placed in the hosting position once the room is ready. You'll have full control over participant settings, which is great for managing larger meetings or presentations. And there you have it. Whether you're scheduling, joining, or hosting, the Zoom app provides all the tools you need right at your fingertips. This step-by-step guide should help you navigate the basics, ensuring your next virtual meeting runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop